Welcome. If you're looking to update your Instagram profile picture and want the latest, easiest steps, you're in the right place. Whether you're refreshing your look, rebranding, or just want to change, updating your profile photo is quick and simple. Here's how to do it in just a few taps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon usually shows your current profile picture, so it's easy to spot. Now that you're on your profile page, look just below your bio, and you'll see the Edit Profile button. Tap on that to open up your profile editing options. This is where you can change everything from your display name to your bio, but today, we're focusing on your profile photo. Next, tap Change Profile Photo. Instagram will give you a few choices here. You can select a photo from your phone's gallery, take a new one with your camera, or even import from Facebook. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're picking from your gallery, make sure the photo is clear and centered. Instagram displays profile pictures as circles, so keep the important part of your image right in the middle for the best look. Once you've chosen or snapped your new photo, you might have the chance to adjust or crop it. Take a moment to make sure it looks just right. When you're happy with your selection, tap Done. That's it. Your new Instagram profile picture is now live. A quick tip. For the sharpest result, use an image that's at least 320 by 320 pixels, since that's Instagram's recommended size for profile photos in 2025. And there you have it. Changing your Instagram profile picture is that easy. Give your profile a fresh new look and let your followers see the best version of you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tips for making your Instagram stand out.